Hey guys, Dan with Grip Edge Tools. I'm here at the Cornwell Rally 2026 and I want to talk to you about our amazing technology, rounding prevention technology. So our design of our bit sockets are designed to be your primary tool. As the name suggests, it will stop you from damaging good fasteners, but it also has some pretty remarkable extraction capabilities as well. So to illustrate this idea, I've got a demo block that's got a good Allen fastener and one that we have rounded out to a very high degree. Standard conventional Allen tool shows when I put it into the good bolt, it acts as you'd expect. There's nothing wrong with that tool, nothing wrong with that bolt. But when I put it into the damaged one, I've got no chance at pulling that out. There's no way I'm gonna get that bolt out with that tool. So the rounding prevention technology, what it does is instead of pushing out, stretching, and stripping the fastener like a regular hex, that unique cut and the way that it's swept to the left pulls the pressure inward. So as I place it into the good bolt, look, it fits perfectly. Cracks them loose, tightens them back down, falls right out, does not damage a good bolt. Now you saw the other one had no chance at removing that damaged fastener, and I can lock in and crack it loose, and the crack of that acrylic tells the tale that was nice and tight. And watch this, I can even snug it right back down again. So guys, rounding prevention technology is designed to be the primary tool. Use it to stop damage from happening. But if you come across one that's already been snotted up, it's absolutely your best fighting chance of getting it out.